Hello, so welcome back. So in this section, I'm going to show you how to create and approve Upwork account. So the first thing you need to do, like I said, you need to go to upwork.com. So when you go to upwork.com, click on get started. Click on get started. So it said join as a freelancer, join as a client or a freelancer. So you know exactly what you want to do on Upwork. So are you a client that you want to hire a particular person, or you're a freelancer, you're looking for jobs? So we are looking for job as a freelancer. Click on apply as a freelancer. All right, so it's going to sign up to find work you love. So I'm going to pause this video so that I can type in my details. So what you need to do is your first name. Your first name is the name they called you, and your last name is your surname. You put in your email, you put in your password, and you put in your country. So, and if you want them to send emails tips on how to find talent that fits needs, so you can check this. So after you are done, you click on check. Yes, I understand and I agree with Upwork terms and condition. So let me go on and fill in my details. All right, so I'll be able to put in my details. I'll be able to put in my details. So the moment you are done, so if you want to receive tips on how to find a talent, tips on how to find talent that is fit your needs, so you can check this. So I'm going to uncheck this. So I'll click on create my account. Click on create my account. So after you click on create my account, it's going to redirect and it send you an email. It says verify your email to proceed. We just send an email to your address. So please check your email and click on the link to verify your address. So I need to so I need so what you need to do is to go to your email to verify your address. So now I'll go to my email to do that now. All right, so I went to my email to verify my account. So it said, congratulations, your account is verified, redirecting. So you wait, they are trying to create your account. So you wait for them to create your account. All right, so I'll wait for them to do that. All right, so it's going to say, hey, Timothy, ready for your next big opportunity? So it's going to ask you that now this is an opportunity for you to what? Answer a few questions and start building your profile. Apply for open roles and list your services for clients to buy. Get paid safely. And so in this section, we are going to study to what? To optimize your account. So you click on get started. All right, so in the next section, I'm going to show you how you can optimize this. So see you in the next section.